Hello Talal, and congratulations for the new acquisition. You're asking how can you clean a big database that you're supposed to import to Zoho CRM. Now I can also tell you that there are lots of companies that they will buy databases that they are going to call to, such as cold calls database, and they also need to bring it into Zoho CRM, and I will show you how to do both. So first of all, whenever you have a large database, that usually comes as a CSV. And the way in Zoho to import a CSV is as follows. Whenever you have your CSV and before you import it to the CRM, I recommend you to have a pick list value that will identify that the lead came from a specific source, such as a new acquisition, or maybe you're buying database for cold calls and you want to know from which supplier to know its quality. So whenever you have a lead, you will see that I added here a new value, and that will be, let's say, Talal new database. Okay, so you will import the leads to the system and you will mark them as the new database, so you will know exactly which leads came from the acquisition. Now, the way to import leads in Zoho CRM is to go beside the create lead, click on import leads, and then you will need to upload the CSV. Whenever you're uploading the CSV, you will need to map the fields, which is relatively simple. If you have lots of data coming from the acquisition with lots of different CSV files, as an example, let's say that they have a different CRM, and the CRM will have contacts and deals and leads and invoices and lots of data. You will need to go to the settings, and then you will need to go to the import, and from here you will need to import all the CSVs and then map them. If this is the direction that you are going with, probably you need us or someone else to help you, because those migrations, they're painful. Now, whenever the leads are in the system and you want to clean them, and when I hear clean, for me it's usually about cleaning duplicates and data that we don't need, I will do it from here. So let's say that you have your leads, and the same functionality will be also on the contacts. You will go to actions, and then you will click on deduplicate leads. Whenever you click on that, the system will ask you on which fields you want to run the deduplicate. Basically, it will try to find the same data on all the different leads. In my case, I will go, let's say, with email, phone, and mobile. That for me, it looks like it's a unique value for each lead. If you want to choose something else, it's up to you. I will click on find and merge fields, and then the system will run through all my leads. Right now I don't have much in this database, but whenever the process ends, I will get here on the bottom, I will get a box that will ask me to deduplicate the leads. It will not be done automatically for you, but it will identify all the duplicates so you can take action on them. You see that I have a few duplicates. I can click on resolve now. If I click here, I will see that I have those leads will have the same phone number, those will have the same email, those will have the same mobile. And let's click on view, and you can see that I have here the fields that I am going to match. I will have record 1 and record 2. In this record, for example, the name of this person is Jesse and here is Jody. So you will need to click on the ones that you want to keep in the system, because once they are being merged, you can't go back to the lead. Okay, so you will need to select which option is matching the reality for this lead, and whenever you're done, you will click on merge, and then both records will be as one record, and now you will have one less duplicate to deal with. You can also go to a specific lead as an example, and then you will click here on the 3 dots and find and merge duplicates, which it will do exactly the same thing, but it will do it on a one record at a time, versus the deduplicate that I just showed you. and that will be on the entire database that you have on the leads. Okay, so this is the way to clean up the duplicates. If you need to clean up something else that is not related to Zoho, you will probably want to clean it on a CSV level, because CSV is easy to clean relatively versus to a CRM that takes more time to manage the data. Another option that I can show you is when you have the leads in the CRM and you find that you do want to make some general cleanup, you can click on the actions, you can click on the Zoho sheet view, and then it allows you to clean the data on some kind of an Excel view, which is a little bit simpler. Okay, so let's say that this is not Jeff, this is Tom. Okay, so you will click here on save, it will do its magic, and then when I'm going back to this view, you will see that the record was updated, and now this is Tom and not whatever previous name that there was here.